Sceptre monitors manufactured after 2022 include built-in crosshair customization through their gaming OSD system. This eliminates the need for any external software or third-party applications. To access the crosshair settings, locate the joystick button on your monitor. This is typically positioned at the bottom center or bottom right of the monitor frame. Once you press the joystick button, navigate through the menu system. Look for either gaming or game mode settings, then select crosshair or aiming point from the submenu. The gaming OSD works by overlaying graphics directly onto the display panel. This means your crosshair will be visible across all applications and games, regardless of what software you're running. Modern Sceptre monitors offer comprehensive customization options. You can expect 8 to 12 pre-designed crosshair styles, full RGB color customization with over 16 million color options, size adjustments, transparency controls, and precise position fine-tuning. Newer Sceptre models also support game-specific profile saving, allowing you to store up to 5 different crosshair configurations. This means you can have optimized settings for different games that automatically switch when needed.